Hello, may I am audible to all? 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 Hello, just I waiting for 5 minutes. That's why it's calling under true answers. Just given a minute. Hello, hello. Can I audible to all? I hope you because my audio. That's why it's calling under. Hello, can I audible to all? I hope you can audible to all clear. True answers. I hope you can just give a minute. I hope you can audible to all. Okay, just again to explain to all the. This is Naid Punana, J. Dropper Expert, Aromatic DevOps, Central and IASCS and NITs and KB Prize and other prestigious in state and central universities and institutes. And my job is unprofessional YouTuber and one that you obtain DDP sections for every season, every conducting season. And right now I'm gonna explain better understanding purpose. Just recap to all. Yesterday these all are things I am to discuss well, but today I wanted to again to discuss recap to all these things. These are all about Belisarius vital force theory. According to compounds are those which come from living organisms, never to synthesize in the laboratory, and inorganic compounds are those that come from non-living sources. The living organisms are required some mysterious forces that are vital forces. And Wallace theory: Wallace synthesized the first organic compound is urea and laboratory by heating ammonia cyanide and an inorganic compound. Basically, organic compounds are carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. These are all about from recap though. And a representation of organic molecules. Molecules are different three kinds of three way of to the represent. One is the molecular formula and structural formula and bond line formula. And molecular formula is that exact number of different types of atoms is present in the molecular formula are compounds. And bond line is organic compounds where carbon and hydrogen atoms are not shown, and carbon bond are also, and all carbon bonds are drawn in zigzag bond pattern, and terminal atoms are methyl groups unless indicated otherwise by sodium sodium and oxygen and chlorine. These are all are about yesterday recap things, and it is the new slide about you all. Are you see me for my subscribers? Please share in our WhatsApp account. Just have 15 members. 15 members is enough today, and gradually day by day we have to increase. And who have lots of groups, you just post on that, because I want to need your support for you. This kind of content you wanted to give up our future generation. That's why you need to subscribe my channel and support for me. Like to support. I'm doing lots of videos for lots of teacher videos. I'm lots of way of to teaching here. This platform giving me completely pure education to you all guys, and I hope you are watching new today my channel. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please forget for bell icon for upcoming updates. And guys, you hit the like button. It is a free of cost. It is the only paid. Okay, let us go ahead. It's a great theory about that classification of organic compounds. It's a good thing. Today you come with a good topic, and you are present to be happy with you share this. Like as a team, and in YouTube also it's not clear to look to visible all, and if it's don't visible clear to my slides, and apart from to your set your YouTube settings, go ahead and you look has your comforts. Okay, I hope you are showing your comforts. Let us go ahead the classification. Basically organic, just give me 1 minute. Basically organic compounds are scattered into two ways. One is that cyclic, or another one is the acyclic compounds. Guys, may I'm visible clear, my voice is clear to her. Then you are there in live, please let me know in chat file that I indicate for my voice is visible to all. And guys, please comment below the section as you wanted. If you don't want to like my lectures, you just choose given good suggestions for me, or you want to share as your comforts. I go ahead that, and basically I'm going that organic compounds are in two types. One is acyclic and another one is the cyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds are open chain and alphabetic compounds, and cyclic compounds are closed chain. And you have to talk about with cyclic compounds. You comes goes that was the cyclic compounds. Cyclic compounds, these are also again scattered into two ways. One is the cyclic compounds are carboxylic, and aromatic compounds are aromatic compounds. And aromatic compounds also divided into two ways. One is the benzenoid and another one is the non-benzenoid. Classification of organic compounds. Once I recap as a quick to manner and to recall, organic compounds basically divided into acyclic compound, another one is the heterocyclic compound, and you first basis with homocyclic compounds again it is scattered in two ways. One is acyclic compound is the are carboxylic, and another one is the aromatic compounds. And over your talk aromatic compounds, it is also again divided into two ways. One is the benzenoid compound, another one is a non-benzenoid compound. And heterocyclic compounds are again scattered into, and right now you have to speak about heterocyclic compounds. Again it is scattered into two ways. One is cyclic compound, another one is the aromatic compound. Is it about is in this slide? If any people just don't understand, you are go ahead and scroll, just go ahead, click on back and come with fast. You want to join again me? Yeah, it is a small examples for small abbreviations for cyclic compounds. What you have to think? Yeah, basically acyclic compounds, these are these are the compounds in carbon atom are linked to each other in such a manner that the molecules is having an open chain and structure. Yeah, here cyclic here acyclic compounds, there are compounds which are the carbon atoms are linked to each such a manner that the molecules is having an opener chain structure. These are all about acyclic, and cyclic come up with the cyclic, the compounds in which the carbon atoms are linked to each other. The molecule has a closed chain, cyclic or ring structure. These are all about small abbreviations and basis you have to discuss here with the examples and the abbreviations again to start. You come here again. Is it about a cyclic compound? Just I am choosing color for better understanding purpose. Acyclic compounds. These are all about acyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds means there are the compounds in which the carbon atom are linked to each other in such manner that the molecules is having open chain structure. Open chain structure. You simply here understood open chain structure. Open chain structure. If you have to remember first open chain structure, and the carbon atom are linked to each other such a manner. Link each other such a great manner. Such a manner. You are observed like this. Open chain structure and linked to each other as a manner. What are the linked here? Carbon. You are getting confusion, right? That's why I'm to giving clarification purpose right and to right. Yeah, first you go ahead with a straight chain. People, you have to know about the straight chain. It's like very important in IUPAC names while you are naming this. Okay. N. We have to draw first. is it about you call N-propane? Is it N-propane? Yeah, is it name of N-propane? Because propane means basically I'm discuss propene meat. These are all are having, but want to discuss first this for better understanding purpose. I'm not discuss all this. People still have to know that because our class teachers also discuss these things. What are the prop? What are the eat? What are the meat? These are all the knowing. So that's why I'm to going simply and short way have to complete the section. Sure for that. I'm gonna teach you well for this. It is N-propane. It is a straight chain because it is an open chain. It is anyone is nothing to close it, right? And branched chain. People should know about branched chain. Branched chain means we take in three carbons as straight manner. Here, load of branches. Here situates lots of branches chain. What's the name of you this? Guys, that is a 2 dimethyl 2 dimethyl propane. Basically, you going to upcoming seasons, you have to know about good idea about IUPAC name structure. Just for to understanding purpose, I am to first time start for the nomenclature. That's why, yeah, why I'm to 2 dimethyl propane I'm to write means you take that from any one side 1, 2, 3. You go this side and you go ahead with 1, 2, 3. Right to left, you go ahead with count. Right to left, left to right. Whatever. It's the same value. Due to 2 means here I have 2. Here I have 2. Right? 2. Dimethyl means here I have 3. Here I have 3. Dimethyl. Propane means here I have 3 carbons. Right? That's why it's a 2 dimethyl propane. Your count right to bottom. Your count top to bottom, right to left. Yes, the same. Mid one is the only situated with lots of bonds as a methane. So further 2 dimethylopropane. These are about acyclic compounds. Once again, you are recap well for understanding. Acyclic compounds are carbon atom are linked each other in such a manner that molecules are have an open chain structure. These are about first acyclic compound means you are remember this highlight point of this in this concept. Acyclic compound simply you have to find that it's an open structure. It's an open structure. You just remind you to keep your connected into keep your this in your brain. It's invite Hassan to look recall again you when you wanted this. Okay. Acyclic means open structure, linkage a manner. Any carbon is linkage a manner. It's going on process. It's not about it. It's just for joke to tell you as again. First, it is the main start point apart from acyclic structure. You don't be forgotten. It's a open structure. And next we go ahead with acyclic compounds. For acyclic compounds are great things. Right now you come with the cyclic compounds. It is a great thing better. You will be able to understand it's a chain manner. I'm gonna discuss that's why. It is a closed chain. It's a quite opposite that. It is a closed chain. Closed chain. Is it always quite opposite that? It is a closed chain. Each other and closed chain are cyclic or ring structure. People should know ring structure about ring structure. Is it having ring structure also? Is it about all under those 3 points? Open closed chain, cyclic or ring structure. These are mostly expected to penetrate into your brain and keep you well apart from over the cyclic. It's a good highlight point. See? And basically here told that carbon is linked to each other to atom of other elements such a manner, same as the manner is to use that. But here closed chain and cyclic, as I said before, no, cyclic compounds are closed chains, and that's why I'm gonna tell you cyclic ring structure. Okay, for the better understanding, I'm given good examples here. You just understood. First, you go ahead with cyclohexane. Cyclohexane. N means it is a single bond beta. N here to better understand. In it is a single bond. It is a double bond. It is a triple bond. Okay. It is for better understanding purpose. I am to write good points. It is a cyclohexane. How I really didn't know because it's my first episode now. But cyclohexane comes well as you comfort to assume this. Is it about cyclohexane? And I am to go ahead with cyclobenzene. Cyclobenzene means ene means it is the benzene because it is I'm already told right cycle structure and closed structure. It's come from closed structure. It's from cyclic structure. You just assume, and this it is pyridine. It is pyridine. These are all about pyridine. Cyclohexane, cyclobenzene, cyclopyridine. These are about unders come from cyclobenzene. For third, I'm already discussed you, right? This over the slide. Heterocyclics are two kinds. Homocyclics are two kinds. These are all halocyclics. You have to think this. Further, I give a better brief understanding. Here to here. These are all under comes from. I'm gonna teach you well about this brief information I'm giving you. These are all come from. It is the cycling process. It is benzene is the you take under the ring structure. Cyclic is the you can take the under the closed structure benzene, and you have to take up the ring structure. Okay, easy about its ring structure. And next one is the halocyclic. For better understanding, and to change the ink. Halocyclics. Halocyclics are, I'm already told, alphatics are alphatic cyclic compounds. Simply you will remember this alphatics. Halocyclics are alphatics. There is example cyclopropane. I'm dry here cyclopropane. Propane. Is it about cyclopropane? Because it is in having cyclic structure. Here three carbons have, that's why I'm too simply called cyclopropane. It is under come from good example of halocyclics. Is furtherly classified into homocyclic and heterocyclic molecules. It is furtherly classified into heterocyclic and homocyclic compounds. Homocyclic compounds are, first you go ahead with a marriage for this. Before arising, I am to simply explain about the closure. Cyclic structure. Cyclic compound means it is a closed chain, and cyclic are ring structures. Here having three bases of adventure, and we don't confuse about this. And people say are only doing lots of wrongs. I know that. While I'm to prepare J, I also did this in examination wrong. I did this wrong in examination. I'm sorry for misconjugation. And guys, let us do understood about this. The cyclic compounds are which the carbon atom are linked to each other, and other are the atom of other element each in such a manner is closed molecules as a closed chain or cyclic ordering structure. Here I've just you remember these things. You don't you have to learn about this all scraps because it's not IP for you guys. This is a objective, right? You just remember these three things. And for the examples I given, three things for better understanding. One is the cyclohexane, another one is the benzene, third one is the peroidine. Peroidine means it's a great example of ring structure. Okay, I hope rest you go ahead with acyclic compounds. Acyclic compounds are aliphatic cyclic compounds. It's a good example of cyclopropane. Why it is called cyclopropane, I am already told you. Here having three carbons and it is have a cyclic manner. Each the carbon is more, the electrons move in cyclic manner. That's why you have to call assume cyclic manner. Okay, just I repeat this. These all things I'm to repeat right now. For next time to give a good practice to come with the writing for diagrammatically. I'm also prepare for that, because guys, it's the first time you're not able to understand. For upcoming stretches, you'll definitely have some to understood what I'm to gonna. You are obtain good thing from here, good information from here. I'm damn sure to say you this. Okay, right now aliphatic compounds. Acyclic compounds are as already over. I'm giving a good example of cyclopropane. Furtherly, it is classified into homocyclic. About from I'm given this homocyclics compound for better understand. Homocyclic compounds are then you call heterocyclics. Heterocyclic compounds. And just you don't think here, and you just listen my voice. It is visible or clear. I hope you that it's visible clear. For heterocyclic compounds, all just gonna write I'm change for better understanding. Okay, homocyclics are you think one of the here all the atoms are that form ring are only carbon atom. Here only ring structure only form. All carbons, all carbon. What the carbon here to form? What the carbon atom here to form? That's it's a ring only. It's never to form open system and cyclic system. Here it's only accepted ring. All the atoms are ring only carbon atom. That is called good example for ring. Cyclohexene. Guys, I'm here right now one example, but in I'm given a lot of examples. I'm not do like that all the teachers, but it's the first time now, so go slow. For completely, I'm doing completely. I will do one video for all chemical reactions here. What they haven't. You just encourage me. I'm giving good complete videos. It is the cyclohexene. You just assume. I'm sorry for that. I'm already told you cyclohexene is the good example of ring structure. It is a ring structure. Cyclohexene is the ring structure. Here only carbon atom formed ring only forms ring. Here only forms ring, guys. Homocyclic compounds only rings, and heterocyclics are cyclic involve carbon, and as well as hetero atoms like nitro, sodium, oxygen, yes, nitro, sulfur, etc. These are all undercome from heterocyclic compounds. Just I'm also given good example about the heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds means you have to see in this diagram. Very దారుణంగా ఉంది ఏంటంటే అంటారు కదా, let's say I'm not do that like that. You should take in sulfur. Here I indicate symbol S, and here the cyclic involves carbon as well as heteroatoms. Here only involves cyclic. Battles for your JE. Okay, cyclic compounds. These are all unders come from cyclic compounds. It's a good examples are like this you have to keep right. Unders come from good examples for about our to talk heterocyclic compounds. These are about heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds are in organic chemistry. Other atoms apart from carbon and hydrogen are considered to be a heteroatom. Heteroatom means you guys, it's a good thing. Heteroatom. You have to write heteroatom. Heteroatom means in organic chemistry or organic chemistry. It's not a branded of alkyl, no. Alkyl. It's not a branded of alcohol. It's a host means organic compound. Any atom apart from carbon and hydrogen. Any atom between carbon and hydrogen considered as to be a heteroatoms. Any other atoms apart from carbon and hydrogen are considered as to be a heteroatoms. You just remember both and it was arise from your mind apart from heteroatoms. You just arise from heteroatoms. You arise and you escape from this. Those two carbon and hydrogen escape from heteroatoms. That's only here heteroatoms are N and OS means oxygen, sulfur and nitrogen. I'm sorry, sodium. These are all about carbon and hydrogen is not going to come from heteroatoms. Okay, you remember? I hope you got my all of you got me. Get me? I hope you this. And next I'm going next slide. It's a very important aromatics or for better understanding purpose I am arise again. If you anyone to do there is no I am in PDF that's we screenshots take it they make better for at a time having with you and it is not important to all people have to know for you just listen on that you will be got good understanding things those things. Just give 1 minute until you are still you are watching but not didn't you do subscribe please do subscribe for me and to do sorts of videos for on those concepts. It's a good marathon you guys here confusion I'm only keep JE and I'm set remaining peoples are not watch this video didn't like to do this that's the reason is it is a mainly basis of focus on concept it was taken up to you its concept is basis of all or gems are is equal but it's taken up to you you are taking it is a NEET it is a JE it's a chem or it is a MSET whatever you chosen better fit it is I'm leave it up to you only guys how can you are able to understand I leave just leave it up to you only I hope you are all better understanding. Okay, let us join with you guys. Without let I'm to start again. Okay, right now you go ahead with the B part that is the aromatic compounds. I'm already discussed here. One is that acyclic compounds and aromatic compounds, and right now we are go ahead with the aromatic compounds that are under come from benzenoids, right? Let you discuss about benzenoids. It's the aromatic compounds that will come quickly to explain about this concept. I need your support doing a lot of videos. For that you pay like and share and subscribe. Please beta, if you don't subscribe, it's not I am to feel, but you just subscribe, you just share just 15 members in your WhatsApp account or Facebook what they have in your personal users in your mobile phone for a better contact purpose, and you just go ahead with right now B part, that is the aromatic compounds. Aromatic compound means aromatic compounds are aromatic characteristics like Hooke's rule. The peoples you know Hooke's rule. Peoples know Hooke's rule. That is conjugation. Hooke's rule and conjugation and planar. This is a planar and cyclic. Is about cyclic structures. These are all under come from aromatic compounds. Are you satisfied with these compounds? Tell me guys, are you satisfied with these compounds? One is a Hooke's rule and second one is the conjugation and planar and cyclic structure. And benzene is further into classified following typely named benzenoid and non-benzenoids and heterocyclic and aromatic compounds. First you go ahead with the benzenoid. Is it about benzenoid? Benzenoid involves only rings. It involves only rings only beta. It involves rings only. Yeah, here good example all the teachers is told, right? That's a good example that she's a naphthalene. It's a good example of naphthalene, and better I am to choose another one, toluene. For better more understanding purpose, I am taking another example that is the toluene, etc. But I am not told more examples here. I am already told you. I am did the one video. End of this all lessons episodes is over. I am to create conduct one section for what the chemical equations is one have in your NCERT books and CBSE syllabus and our state syllabus. All this I'm coming to keep it closer to you at one video. It is a structure of benzene. Join two benzenes is known as a naphthalene. You just simply have to remember. Join two benzenes. One benzene is the three double bonds. One benzene is having first benzene having two double bonds. Second benzene having three double bonds. That's your symbol. You remind like this as a cheat code. As a cheat code, you have to remember like this. Naphthalene is two benzenes to add, but two benzenes to add. First benzene is the two double bonds having here three. Second benzene having three three one, and then next you go ahead with the second one, that is the non-benzenoids. These are all about non-benzenoids. It does not involve here. Does not involve benzene rings, guys. It's a quite opposite that all people say have to listen. In physics, you have to take and right. Given our teacher is going to ask you good question about tell me difference between distance and displacement. Okay, you are quite you know about distance, you quite opposite told to displacement. That's the okay haven here also. Same thing. Anything two halves having that is a quite opposite. Types of chemistry, graphite or diamond, both are different manners, and but the some of the functions are equal quite opposite, right? That's why it's a benzenoid is not does not involve benzene ring. It does not involve benzene ring. Feel people you are feel it is very slow manner. Then you are set in YouTube settings as quick or fast. For better understanding purpose, I glow slow. People, you have to know this. While I'm to script my voice, while my my voice, people really didn't understand what I'm to speak. That's why I'm gonna go it slow. Please do encourage me, do subscribe and like for me. It is a paid subscription for you. It's an entirely free coaching for you guys. It does not involve engineering. Take a good example right now. That's the example name is I'm right here. That is cyclo pent 1 2 right break to series. That's the reason the peoples to understand pentanoidal cyclopentanoidal anion. Because why I'm to say that anion, I'm to know let me know drawing the benzene, this benzene. Let us show that why I'm to use in here anion. It is a minus symbol, that is the anion here. That's why I'm to use a non-benzenoid. This is non-benzenoid, guys. This is non-benzenoid. This is all about non-benzenoids. Yeah, you just think aromatics or Hooke's rule or conjugation or planar or cyclic structure. Just you main penetrate in the these 4 points in your brain, and furtherly aromatics are divided into two ways. One is the benzenoid, another one is the non-benzenoid, right? That's non-benzenoid is involves in does not involve in benzene ring, and benzene ring is involves in ring form. Okay, that's a better for understanding purpose. I am giving good example for over the benzenoid. That's an example of naphthalene and toluene, and over the non-benzenoids is cyclopentanoidal ion. People like to understand for my voice. And right now you go ahead with the aromatic compounds. Just only I have 3 minutes. Next time to discuss later things. Before 3 minutes, I'm to mug up with this. People say are good that. That's why I'm to arise again. Actually, sites are having, but I don't rub it. But I don't have an interest to rub it. Okay. Actually, slides is having, right? Okay, go ahead with right now. Aromatic heterocyclics. This is the third type thing. Aromatic heterocyclic. Aromatic heterocyclic. I'm already gonna discuss two types, right? Here is the third type. It means the ring contain atom carbons as well as any other heteroatoms like I'm already told, right? Heteroatoms. What are the heteroatoms? Guys, what are the heteroatoms? That are sodium, sulfur, oxygen like this heaven. With carbon to with carbon atom contains carbon. Carbon atom contains atoms also and but mind this still aromatic. These are not just heterocyclic molecules. These are not just heterocyclic molecules. These are aromatic heterocyclic molecules like this. Here we don't assume these are heterocyclic compounds. They are not either heterocyclic compounds. We are not assume heterocyclic molecules. You just take a apart from here we talk over this aromatic heterocyclic means please remove heterocyclic compounds from your brain and let you join with new one that is here having their carbon with nitrogen and sulfur and hydrogen. Their carbon and hydrogen is not heaven, right? I'm already told that. As a base of category, there is no heaven. As a basis of heteroatom category, hydrogen and carbon is not heaven, right? That's why here you just remember that point, keep it you. Then you escape from confusion of aromatic heterocyclic compounds and singly one heterocyclic compounds. Heterocyclic compounds, but mind this, these are good example of this. If you wanted, right, the ring contain atoms. Ring contain atoms. Ring contain atoms of carbon. Ring contain atoms of carbon as well as any other heteroatoms. Heteroatoms as well as any other heteroatoms like I'm already discussed, right? Sodium, sulfur, oxygen, these are all under come from halogen family, right? But mind this are still aromatics. These are not just are heterocyclic. I'm already told, right? These are not you don't mind it. These are equal to heterocyclic compounds. You never we mind it. Again, I'm not to trust you told because the people really get confused here only, right? They are confused heterocyclic and aromatic heterocyclic. That's for better understanding. I'm drawing good example. Yeah, these are name is simply called pyrrole. Pyrrole aromatic compound. Aromatic heterocyclic compound. Guys, this is difference I'm gonna teach you. You take this. you take here oxygen. These are heterocyclic compounds. But here add hydrogen or carbon again, and with ion also is heaven, but here lone pairs is heaven. That is the aromatic heterocyclic compound, right? I am clear to confusion about myself. It's clear. I hope you believe this. I am clear difference of heterocyclic and aromatic heterocyclic compounds. People say are really understood about me, and going at tomorrow topics are naming of organic compounds and IUPACs, aryl compounds and types of alkyl groups. These are all discussed from tomorrow. Until you watch my video, for you did watch my channel, thanks for that, and thank you for our love and support. Please do support for me. I need your support for doing lots of videos. I hope you are able to understand me, right? And furtherly, please share. For final two, I demand from you this. Please share 15 members from your WhatsApp account. That's I need. If you're interested to do subscribe, please did that also. I need it. And for like, if you anyone you have to anytime you wanted that is our like what the videos you're watching YouTube videos, you go and study what the your ticket like that you have in first manner and remaining as a back of that. Okay, that's why you have to click on. That's why I'm to say click on my video, not for me. Okay, thanks for all your love and support. Again, I'm to share you. Stay home, better safe, and keep learning, keep growing. This is Naidu. You are signing with saradaplus Academy. I hope you're having a great day and see you watching until I meet next